Hi everyone, my name is Sarthak, your study helper. Today we're going to be talking about computer virus. So let's me just do this. And as you all can see, this is the presentation. As you can see, it needs um it is the computer virus, which is very harmful and other things, whereas this is computer virus as chapter 2 made by me. So I'll give you a brief explanation, a small and brief explanation of what it is, introduction, purpose. But if you want the full explanation, you can pause the video and read the information. So let's start. So the introduction says, um, computer viruses are malicious programs that infiltrate computers, causing damage like deleting files or slowing performance. They spread similarly to biological viruses like fever, cold, and all, from one device to another via emails or downloads. Learning about them promotes safe online habits, such as avoiding suspicious links, much like washing hands to prevent germs. And now me just go to the purpose. Purpose says virus, viruses are created by malicious actors to harm systems, steal data, or generate illegal profits. They can delete files, control devices remotely, or disrupt operations, leading to significant issues like lost personal data. The topic highlights internal dangers and damages, and emphasizes the need for protection to ensure online safety. Now, let's go to objective, which says this section aims to educate on recognizing to preventing viruses to keep computers secure. It teaches installing antiviruses, avoiding bad links, and scanning downloads for safe use in daily activities. Ultimately, it builds confidence in technology, preparing for future digital responsibilities. And now the definition. The definition says a computer virus is a self-replicating, harmful programs that attaches to files and spreads without permission. It damages data, slows systems, and hides in emails or USBs. Part of broadware, uh, border malware, the term draws from biology, underscoring the importance of early detection to avoid issues. Now, the types of computer virus. It says various viruses exist, but focus on key one like boot sector virus, program file virus, and macroviruses. It also covers worms, trojans, and spyware. Each spreads uniquely via emails or downloads or USBs. Understanding types helps identify odd behaviors like crashes for easier comprehensions. And now let's first read about the first main virus, which is the boot sector in simple words. Boot sector virus. This virus targets the boot sector of disks, preventing proper computer startup, like the brain virus from 1986. From 1986. These viruses attack when the disk is starting up, or like if you have old computers, you know what's a floppy disk. So if you guys have a floppy disk or hard disk in your PC or computer, that is the first part which is going to be corrupted from the boot sector virus. It spreads like through via USB drives or disks, which is the boot sector virus, is also known as the boot infector or MBR virus or DBR virus. Like if you plug in someone's pen drive or something, that it might get your computer infected. And the preventions are to use antivirus apps, antivirus scans, or removable media before connection. Now let's move on to the next one, program file virus, which says file viruses attached to executable executes like .exe files, uh, activating on run and spreading to others. Examples include germ cell virus in 1987, causing data corruptions, crashes, or further malware. The example says what it can do, like corruption, cause data corruption, crashes, or further malware. These are what happens if this virus attaches to your laptop. Is the same. All the antiviruses, you need to use antiviruses to save your computer from any bad things, as it can be from data loss, system crashes, malware spread, and hard to detect. And remember, please keep your computer safe on Friday the 13th because it is when the Jerusalem virus deletes and takes information from this computer or your PC or computer, which can also come in any forms. Like I said, just .exe. It can come in .exe or .com or in games, apps, and all via emails, pen drives. It can come through anything, basically from the brain of the computer or the messaging part of the computer or the part where you connect stuff to the computer. And now let's move on to macrovirus. Macrovirus says these infect documents in apps like Word or Excel via macros spreading when enabled. The virus like Concept when it was 1995 and Melissa virus which was invented in 1999. Examples like damage data, fast spread, privacy theft, app crashes, and cross platforms. And the preventions are still the same. Antiviruses take Microsoft Protected View and back up your most important documents. Backup is like to keep on the motherboard. If it deletes also, it will be still there when you delete it permanently. Still, it will be there. Um, Now let's move on to the Trojan virus, which says Trojan masquerades as useful software like games, but steal data or harm systems upon installation. They don't replicate, but trick users, leading to password theft or file detection. To avoid untrusted sources, scan with antivirus and update systems to prevent them. This is what it says. But Trojan, if you ever heard it, there was a story where there was a war between two kingdoms, and the other kingdom actually was losing, but it had the stronger team and more people. So what it did is it created a big wooden horse where inside it was people to attack the other kingdom. But the kingdom which was losing sent it to the kingdom which was winning. That the kingdom which was losing said, "This is our gift towards you as we lost." So they accepted it. And when the kingdom two was winning, when they were sleeping, um, the kingdom which was losing came out of the horse and attacked the kingdom which was winning. and then it became the opposite. So this is how it would work. It doesn't self-replicate, but it comes through downloads and shared files, named after the mythical Trojan horse. And now let's move on to the worm virus, which does self-replicate. Worms self-replicate rapidly without files, clogging networks like the Morris worm in 1988. They cause slowdowns, crashes, or wide infections via emails or links. And these do spread via network or email and attaches to important emails or files, and they don't need a host like someone to control it. Unlike other viruses, they can spread by themselves without anyone controlling it, to like they program it into go into another computer. And then it's the same. Just use for preventions any antivirus. Keep the antivirus updated. Use firewalls and just do not open any suspicious links. Back up data to recover from the attacks and all. And now spyware. Spyware. This is little important. More important. Spyware secretly monitors activities like keystrokes, sending data to attackers without notice. It steals personal info, slows devices, and hides in downloads, with key loggers as examples. Employ and seize where avoid uncertified links or unverified, and remove unknown programs regularly, and back up your data. This is also like the same like worm, but little different than worm, as it does not tell that it is there in your computer. It acts like hi, I'm fever. I'm going to be in your body, but I'm not going to tell you that I'm there in your body. It's like that. It's like germs come into your body, but do not tell you. Like how you breathe and breathe out without you noticing. You don't control it. You just control it to stop breathing or just let it go like that. And thank you for watching the video. Hit the sub button hit the sub button to help me out, and please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please write down in the comment section. And thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.